and as the ultimate and supreme organ of the party, that you may discuss and give the way forward towards the adoption or ratification of the agenda that of the resolutions of the National Oversight Board. Precisely the agenda, ladies and gentlemen, is merger. That merger with following political parties pursuant to Section 11 of the Political Parties Act number 11 of 2011. A. Jubilee Alliance Party, JAP. B. United Republican Party, URP. C. Alliance Party of Kenya, APK. D. Grand National Union, GNU. E. Ford People, FP. F. New Ford Kenya, NFK. G. Republican Congress Party of Kenya, RC. H. Unity Party of Kenya, UPK. I. United Democratic Forum Party, UDF. J. The Independent Party of Kenya, TIP. K. The Party of National Unity, PNU. And finally, Sabasaba Asili. This proposed agenda is signed and executed by the Secretary General, Onyango Olo. Could I have proposal that we proceed with this agenda and a seconder, if any? Someone has rushed here, so don't worry.
I propose.
Your name?
Alwin Sharif Hassan from Kilifi County.
Thank you. And I have the seconder.
I, Dayan Remen from Kajiado County, I second.
The agenda is fully proposed and seconded. Your cry has been heard, and going forth, I'll pay attention to gender issues. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my honor to present before the national chairman of the National Alliance the agenda duly proposed, seconded, and adopted by this Special Delegates Convention. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Pursuant to Article 36 of the TNA Constitution, as well as Section 11 of the Political Parties Act, I hereby declare that the Special National Delegates Conference of TNA has attained the requisite quorum and is officially open. I hereby put the question that those in favor that we proceed with the proposed agenda say aye. And those of a contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it. I hope the bouncers take note from their names. Honorable delegates, ladies and gentlemen, at this stage the meeting is on and I am currently chairing it. And so I will invite a few remarks from delegates and I'll ask the Executive Director to get a few to speak as we deliberate the agenda as read out by the Secretary General of the National Alliance.
Thank you.
I forgot to hit my gong. The meeting is declared open.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And I also congratulate the delegates for adopting the agenda. We're going to have a few remarks from members. And we heard you very well that you want to see gender. I'm going to start with the lady. And I'm looking, there are no hands up, so I'll take a gentleman. Get the ladies. Josephine from Laikipia. Josephine from Laikipia County.
Thank you. Jubilee. Sasa nataka tu kusema kubali tuwe pamoja kwa Jubilee. Tumekubali, tumekuja all the way, nafanya kazi nzuri. Nashukuru secretariat, nashukuru waheshimiwa, wametusaidia sana mpaka pate tumefika mahali. Tutaongea mengi, tumesema kama delegates from all counties, we are ready to march and go to election next year. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll ask the rest of those making remarks to put that brief. Kindly, Executive Director, give us a few more from a different part of the country. Order.
Order. We are going to have remarks from the Honorable Member of Parliament from Tetu.
Chairman and honorable delegates, it's a great honor for all of us to be here today. I just wanted to thank TNA for giving this nation a masterclass in democracy. Can we have a round of applause for TNA? Going forward, Chairman and honorable delegates, we now know that the Jubilee Party of Kenya, Jubilee is going to be the party that unites every nation in this great republic of ours. And that is another great example of democracy in the Republic of Kenya. Let us hear one final round of applause for Jubilee, and God bless us and God ahead of us. Amen.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Kindly let us move more towards the west of Kenya, and then we can go to the north and the south.
Now you see, delegates, we are following a system. Kisii Professor from Kisii, come and say remarks.
Okay, we have a delegate from Kisii. Come quickly.
Come and make your remarks. The Professor Ongeri. Make your way to the podium. Then we are going to have somebody from disability and youth.
Thank you so much, Executive Director. My name is Professor Justus Nyamweya Nywencha. I'm a TNA member for some time now, and I congratulate all of you for being here today and thank you for accepting the motion that we move to a grand coalition of a party that will move Kenya forward. Let me be brief because other people will speak. Let me say that the people of Kisii accept this, and we're going to say that there is a song that was sung by one lady called Hez Brown that said, "I'm afraid to walk alone." So we're saying today that because we don't walk alone, we want to work with other parties that have the same like mindset that we're going to move Kenya forward. So thank you for this opportunity, and I ask you to move Kenya forward, just like JF Kennedy once said, that do not ask yourself what America's done for you. Today, I ask you, don't ask yourself what Kenya's done for you. Ask yourself, what have you done for Kenya? Thank you, and God bless you.
Now this time, Shito from Mandera.
Can you make your way quickly to the stage?
Nikisema TNA